Hey guys, I am going to show you how to find your baby's heartbeat at 14 weeks pregnant. Um, it's a lot easier to find than it was when I first started using my Doppler. This is my Doppler. It's the Pocket Fetal Doppler. It's a 3 megahertz. I've used this quite a bit so far. So I'm going to show y'all how to find it and what it sounds like. Okay. I'm trying to get my camera fixed here. Make sure your pants are down pretty far because my baby usually it likes to hang out right down here. It's very seldomly up here by my belly button. This is my belly button. So right there. Also, you need ultrasound gel or you need aloe vera gel. And whenever you buy this, it comes with a little packet about that big. And it does not last hardly any time at all. So, you can buy this online also. It just costs a lot more than the aloe vera gel. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my probe, and this is what I always do. Turn it on. That's what it looks like. There's the different settings. Setting 2, I don't know what that does, and setting 3. Setting 1 works the best. Black light, keep the black light on. Probe. Volume. I turn it down. Here's what it sounds like. Turn it down. That way it makes a crackly noise. So make sure you have a towel by also. I use about that much. That'll usually do the trick. And I'm going to just put it right there. That's the baby. He's moving around a lot. So, it's hard for it to pick up the actual heart rate. When I went to the doctor, they told me it was 163, I believe. So whenever they're moving around, you can usually hear them kick with this whenever they start getting bigger. And also, you can hear them kick. And you can hear them kind of like move around. And so that's basically it. It's pretty easy to find. If you have any questions about it, just comment and let me know. Bye.